Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create MTN Transfer PIN in Nigeria. So if you have not gotten your own transfer PIN and for your MTN transfer, this guide is for you. So first thing you have to do is open up your phone caller and click on your keypad, your dialer. So you're going to click on *321# and you're going to click on this to enter. So once you click on that, you're going to click on number 1, which is Airtime Share, and click on send. So the next one, you're going to get all this. So you're going to click on the 5, which is create pin, click on 5 and send. And they're going to actually ask you to select a security question just in case you forget your transfer pin anytime. They can just ask you the security question, and when you get the answer right, they're going to allow you to change. So I'm just going to say, where did you meet your spouse? Okay. What is your primary school teacher? I'll go with 1. I will say is Mr. Are. Yes. I'll click on send and they'll ask me to enter a new pin. So I'll just go with this pin and they'll ask me to confirm the pin. I'll go with it again, and you can see they said you have successfully created your MTN Share pin. Please do not share this pin with anybody. So this is literally how simple it is to actually create MTN transfer pin in Nigeria. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.